to manipulate the C3 to C7, then the first thing that we need to really take note of is the angle of the facet joints. There's our facet joints here. So that's the angle that we need to manip at. So what we need to make sure is, using this part, this is where we're going to actually put this on the facet joints, we're in line with that. So your elbow, your wrist and your hand is all in line with that facet joint. So you're going to look something like that. So now we'll get Richard on the couch and we'll actually do that for real. What we're going to manipulate is C5 with a side bent and rotating left. So I'm actually going to manipulate the good side, which is the right hand side, and as with seated MET, so the restrictions on the left, and we're saying it's at C5, I'm going to use this part of my finger here on the facet joints of C5, and remember that the angle of the thrust is going to be here. I'm going to put my knee up on the couch because I find that easier, and I'm going to flex to C5, and then you're going to side bend right because it was restricted on the left, and you're going to rotate right, and then you just need to get right in there. That's the lock. Make sure you have got that lock, and then just manipulate. So you're using the left hand as a stabilizing hand. For a flexion lesion at C5, which is side bent and rotated on the left hand side, here's our problem side. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this part of our finger here on the facet joint of the right C5, i.e. the good side. And because it's flexed, we're going to extend it. It's side bent and rotated left, so to fix it, we're going to side bend rotated right to take up the tension. So if I get hold of Richard's head, this part of my finger onto C5, and remember the facet joints are going that way, so that's the angle of thrust. So I need to get my elbow right down in there. I need to extend, side bend right, rotate right, and then we keep that left hand in the place and we just manipulate it.